Diwali is the festival of lights. It is the biggest festival celebrated across India. Good morning, respected sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we, the students of class 8th, will be conducting an online assembly on the topic Diwali.
A very good morning to all. My name is Nekark and I study in class 8B. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the festival of lights, that is Diwali. I hope that I will be able to provide some information to you on this festival. Diwali is one of the India's biggest and main festival. The meaning of Diwali is rows of lighted lamp. This festival is the festival of lights. We Hindus celebrate it with very much joy. In this festival, people light up their houses with diyas. People worship Lord Ganesh and Goddess Durga for wealth and wisdom. Diwali is most likely the brightest festival in the world. People of various religions celebrate Diwali. Most significant this festival signifies the victory of light over darkness. This also indicates the victory of good over evil and knowledge over ignorance. There are bright lights all over the whole country during Diwali. The religious importance of this festival has many differences. It varies from one region to other regions in India. There is a link up of many deities, cultures and traditions with Diwali. The reason for these differences is possibly local harvest festivals. Therefore, there was a blend of these harvest festivals into one Hindu festival. The main reason to celebrate Diwali is also the return to Ayodhya of Lord Ram after he defeated Ravana, the demon king of Lanka. So, every year on this day we celebrate it as a symbol of goodness. The Lord Rama, with his wife Sita and younger brother Lakshman, came back to Ayodhya. They spent 14 years of exile in the forest. The folks of Ayodhya expressed their affection and attachment to their king by heartfelt welcome. They lighted up their house and the whole state with light. In this way, they welcomed their king Rama. The association of Diwali to goddess Lakshmi is the faith of many Hindus. Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth and prosperity. According to a legend, Diwali is the night of Lakshmi's marriage. In eastern India, Hindus relate Diwali with goddess Durga or Kali. Some Hindus have faith in Diwali to be the start of a new year. At last, wishing you all a very happy Diwali with gleam of auspicious diyas and the holy chants. May happiness and prosperity fill your life forever. Wishing you and your family a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Troubles as light as air, love as deep as ocean, friends as solid as diamonds, and success as bright as gold. Thank you.
फुलवारी रे साजे गाजे बाजे गूंजे सपनोरी रे किलकारी रे वन उपवन अभिनंदन करता छाई धगा परियारी रे शक्कर भांको झांकी झांको हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे मन हर जाओ धन बरसाओ धन सुखवारो धीरे
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो मनने भायो नयो नयो सो रंग ले आयो शुभ दिन आयो मनने भायो नयो नयो सो रंग ले आयो होठों पे मुस्कान गुलाबी लायो रे होठों पे मुस्कान गुलाबी लायो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे
की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे, दीपावली गली गली बन की खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे. Today is a special day as we have gathered here virtually to celebrate the festival of lights. Diwali is considered as a festival of lights. People illuminate around themselves with diyas and candles. It is considered as a festival of Hindus, but people from all religions celebrate this festival with equal amount of happiness. People during this time clean their houses, decorate it, buy new clothes for all the members of the house, buy crackers to light them up, and celebrate this festival.
Hello everybody, I am Sreshi Rathore and today I am going to perform a dance on the song Naino Wale Ne. I hope you enjoy it.
Good morning everyone present here. Today I am here to deliver my speech on Diwali. Diwali is one of India's biggest and main festival. The meaning of Diwali is rows of lighted lamps. Hindus celebrate it with much joy. In this festival, people light up their houses with diyas. People worship Lord Ganesh and Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and wisdom. Diwali is most likely the brightest festival in the world. The main reason to celebrate Diwali is to return to Ayodhya of Lord Ram after he defeated Ravan, the Asur king of Lanka. So, every year on this day we celebrate it as a symbol of goodness. Lord Ram with his wife Sita and younger brother Lakshman came back to Ayodhya. They spent 14 years of exile in the forest. The folks of Ayodhya expressed their affection and attachment to their king by heartfelt welcome. They lighted up their houses and the whole state with light. In this way, they welcomed Raja Ram. This also indicates the victory of good over evil. This beautiful festival carries prosperity. People buy new clothes and gifts for themselves and for others. Lastly, to sum it up, Diwali is a great joyful event in India. One cannot visualize the delightful contribution of the glorious festival. Diwali is surely one of the greatest festivals in the world. Thank you.
light a lamp rather than cursing the darkness. I would like to begin by wishing all of you a flourishing Diwali. Diwali is known as the festival of lights, as on this day rows of lamps are lit to commemorate the victory of Lord Rama over the evil king Ravana and his return to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Diwali is a festival that puts before us a start to new beginning, and this new beginning provides us with the opportunity to do good and to forget the enmity with others, as by doing so we will be able to triumph over the evil and put a positive attitude towards our life. At last, I would like to conclude by saying that this Diwali, let's burn the negativity and egocentrism from our minds and join hands to win over the evil of COVID-19. Thank you and have a prosperous Diwali.